Hello everyone, this is Vance from Shenzhen Refinecolor Technology Limited, and this is our A2 size UV printer. Now I'm going to introduce you this printer in brief. This printer, so you can see this is a power button. So when you put this on, this is power on and this is power off. And this is a power port, which is to connect the printer and the power bank. And this is our refillable ink bottles. So you can see they are 6 colors bottles. So we use 6 colors UV ink. When the ink is running out, you just need to refill the ink inside, and it can continue to work. Waste ink bottle. So the waste ink will come into this bottle, and this is our main board of this printer. So you can see these bottles, and with this LCD display. Also have the LCD display in English version, which you can see how it works. This printer can go up and down and go in and out. This is the UV light of this printer, and this one is the emergency stop button. Now I'm going to introduce you our printhead part of this printer. So our printer uses the double print heads. The printhead model is Epson XP600, and you can see there are 2 cleaning units. So why the cleaning units here? The cleaning unit is to protect the printhead, to avoid the ink block the printhead, and also keep the printhead wet. So when you don't use the printer for a couple days or weeks, you just need to. Now the printhead is locked by the cleaning unit, so you can keep position for days or weeks.